Hello students, we will move on to the new chapter today, and that is budgetary control, the fourth chapter of final year cost and management accounting. Now if we look at the particular chapter today, we will first analyze what are the questions which came from this chapter from exam perspective, and of course later we will move on to the conceptual and introduction part of this. So if we look at this, for theory questions they have asked sales and production budget, objectives of budgetary control, the meaning of budgetary control, sales budget and factors affecting sales budget, and then purchase budget and sales budget. Then of course practical questions are there. So let us first understand what is budgetary control. So all of us know budgetary control is a system where company employ or use budgets to control costs and expenses in the organization. Of course, it is a process in which budgets are used by the company for comparing the results and thereby control the expenses in the organization or cost in the organization. So this is one of the controlling tool in the hands of company to measure the performance of maybe employees in terms of their expenses or cost incurred. Okay, so there are different dimensions to this budget. It can be sales budget, purchase budget, or production budget, etc., cash budget, which we have studied already. So there are different dimensions of it. Of course you first need to understand what is budget. Now budget is plan of action which is made for usually a year, which explains income, expected income and expenses for a next year. So usually it is expenses and income, or it is a plan of action for a future coming period, particular period on a particular basis. Okay, so if we look at that budgetary control aspect, it is a very famous controlling tool in the hands of a company to control the expenses. So budgetary control, which uses the budgets, where budgets are prepared by the company on the basis of past results or past data, and then their experience is also taken into account. So combining these two, and then they prepare budgets, and then they measure the actual results, and budget and actual is compared, and of course they take corrective actions based on the deviations from budget. So that is budgetary control, budget, etc. Now if you look at the objectives of budgetary control is a system to control the expenses or cost in the organization. The first objective of budgetary control is to control the expenses. Second objective is to maximize the profit or profit planning in the organization. If company knows what exactly is the expenses and incomes they are going to get in the future period, they can plan for their profit. So it acts as a profit measurement tool or profit maximization tool also, and it will help in decision making of the company. When the budget is prepared by the company, it helps the company to have a proper decision making. So it assists the company in decision making as well. So these are some of the objectives of budgetary control. And then we have different types of budget: sales budget, production budget, purchase budget, etc. So sales budget focuses on sales of the organization. So expected sales for a particular period is calculated, and then actual sales is taken, then actual and expected is compared, and then taken result on that. So budget, so sales budget. Purchase budget looks after the purchase of materials, maybe cost and the materials used, etc. And then production budget looks at the production units, expected budgeted units, production units, and actual production units. So let us look at the small problem, 6-mark problem from Mangalore University. So the Gabriel Limited has a budgeted sales for 50,000 units of a product for the year 2015. Expected unit cost based on past experience should be So the data is here. Direct expenses 3 rupees per unit, labor 2 rupees, and manufacturing overhead 1.50. The company begins the year with the 20,000 units, that is finished goods in hand, so opening stock. But at the end of the inventory, end of the period, finished goods is 5,000 units, that is closing stock. Compute the production cost budget and find out the cost of production for 2015. So we have data information given here. So what is the information given? The cost is direct material, direct labor, and other information is given, and then production is given. So sales and opening and closing stock information is given. So from that you can calculate budgeted production. So budgeted production is equal to sales plus closing stock minus opening stock. So sales as per them is 50,000 units, plus closing stock is 5,000 finished goods, and minus opening stock of 20,000. So produced expected production, budgeted production is 35,000 units. Now for this 35,000 units we have to calculate production cost. So direct material 35,000 into 3 and direct labor 35,000 into 2. Those two constitute prime cost. So prime cost is done, and then add manufacturing overheads, that is 1.50 into 1.50. So you will get production cost. So this is a production cost. So these are the problems which we are going to work out from this particular chapter, budgetary control chapter. So once again have a look at the budgetary control information. So it says these are the system in which budgets are used to control the cost. Okay, it will act as a corrected mechanism. So it will show exactly what is the expected cost. So accordingly they can plan. Okay, so it maximizes the performance of the employees and all that. So this is one of the problem in case of budgetary control. So we can have a discussion of this particular chapter when we do online class. Okay, so we can ask doubts also through online classes. Okay, so with this I would like to conclude this particular chapter. Thank you.